Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 says the legs of a right triangle measure 15 inches and 17 inches. What is the length of the hypotenuse? And so the problem asks me for information about a right triangle. Since there's no picture, I can draw a picture to help visualize that. So I could just draw any right triangle. I know the length of the two legs. One of the legs is 15 inches, and the second leg is 17 inches. And it doesn't matter where you put the 15 and the 17 on the legs, because we're just drawing a picture to visualize. It doesn't have to be to scale. Remember, the hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle in the triangle, and that's the length of the side that we're looking for. So this is a classic Pythagorean theorem question. Many people know that as a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or one of the legs squared, which is 17, plus the other leg squared, which is 15, and that will equal the length of the hypotenuse squared. And now I just have to simplify the left side of this problem. 17 squared is 289, plus 15 squared is 225, and that sum will be equal to c squared, the length of the hypotenuse squared. So 289 plus 225 is 514. That will be equal to c squared. And then I will just take the square root on both sides. The square root of c squared, the root and the square undo one another, and I will be left with c is equal to the square root of 514. And that's already in simplest form. But I can punch that into a calculator and get an approximation. I can take the square root of 514 and find out that that is about 22.67 inches. So I have my answer in exact form, the square root of 514, and I have my answer in approximate form, 22.67 inches.